Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. And today I'm standing on board my 2018 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. You can hear the breeze in this video, and frankly, the spring and coming into the beginning of summer in Florida, that is a reality of what we do. It's always breezy. The beautiful thing about Sea Ray's quiet ride technology in these hulls is that it just smooths that choppy water out. The sandbar is going to be smooth, the restaurants are going to be smooth, but you've got to get there. And if you want to take family anywhere on the water on the entire west coast of Florida, you're going to deal with a little chop and you want to do it in comfort. The SLX has got to be the most comfortable boat you can buy. It just is. It's got the reliability of Mercury outboards and the smoothness of joystick steering, but it also gives you things like an incredible electronic surshade and this beautiful and massive fiberglass hardtop. This boat is just a treat for you and the family. And to make it one step better, this is a leftover model for us. So you can come in, you can ask for Jeremiah or any number of sales representatives at our store and get yourself a little better deal on this boat than you might on any other you're looking at. The white interior, the black hull, joystick steering, and the medallion electronic system at the dash just makes this boat beautiful no matter what you're doing. If you want something exceptional to invite your family and friends down to, this 2018 310 SLX is that boat. The white will stay cool all summer long. The hull is going to look beautiful at any dock for decades to come. I'm Jeremiah. This is MarineMax Sarasota. And if you don't want to have to worry about the breeze on the water, this is your boat. We'll talk to you soon.